Welcome to day 5 of Strong and 75. If you have not watched days 1 through 4, please go back and watch them because there's so many things you already missed. This is 75 days total that we're doing, and you want to make sure that you're doing every single day. Okay, so for day 5, we're going to go over something that's totally different than what we went over before. So you want to make sure you go see what you missed before you start day 5. For the people that already did day 5, please make sure that you listen to me for this one right here. Now, a lot of people always say, Rickita, why do we have so many different credit scores? And I look here, my credit score is this. When I look over here, my credit score is this. You guys, that is because a lot of these companies, they take in our credit reports and they come up with their own type of credit score. So we have our FICO, we got different type of FICOs, and we also have our VantageScore. When you guys are looking at like those free places that tell you about what your credit score is, those are basically the Vantage credit score. It is what it is. I just like to look at it like this. When I look at like Credit Karma and I see that my credit score is whatever it is, I always think my credit score is like 40 points lower than this, because if I think like that, when I actually go and get a car, apply for a mortgage, get some credit cards, when they actually pull up my credit, I will already know where my credit score can possibly lie. But if they say my credit score was only 20 points less than what was on Credit Karma, I'm in for the win. I just feel like it's just a way to kind of not pay to actually see what my credit score is. I will find out when I actually apply for something. The thing is, you have to make sure that everything that's negative on your credit reports is just removed. Make sure you have your 4 credit cards, your 2 installment accounts. You're going to hear me say this a lot. And then once you do that, and you make sure, again, everything that's negative is removed, or you're working towards removing those negative and inaccurate accounts from your credit reports, then you know that your credit score should be up there and you should be able to get approved for a lot of things. But this is a time too where you should just understand you're going to have so many different credit scores. Don't overthink this. You guys can learn more about FICO or Vantage. You can learn more about these 2 things. I also have some more stuff in here, and again, we already tracking our credit scores at the bottom, but I like to track that with Credit Karma, okay? But understand, Credit Karma may be 40 points more than what your real credit score is. When you apply for credit cards, if you get denied, they're gonna tell you what your credit score is, at least the one that they have for you with what bureau, okay? So this episode, don't overthink it. No, we have a lot of credit scores. Just think in your mind, okay, my credit score is 40 points lower than what I can see right here on Credit Karma. If y'all think like that, y'all will be good. Okay, make sure you guys are getting that 3-book bundle. I'll make sure I have it fully pinned down below. So it's going to include the workbook that we're going over for the 75 days, plus you all will be able to have that raise your credit score, plus you guys, not this one here, you guys will have that suing to win. Okay, so make sure, again, you guys get your 3-book bundle. I'll make sure that I have it pinned. Make sure you guys get these things before it sell out, because a lot of times I can't keep books in stock. A lot of people are like, where are the books at? Get it before they sell out, okay? So make sure you guys get your copy. I'll see you all for day 6. Again, if you guys have not yet, we're about to get into our disputes. Make sure you guys do your 6 months worth of free dispute letters. Get into that now, okay? Because we're about to get into our disputes. I'll see you all for day 6.